It's a scary thought, but knowing how to react to an abduction can save your life. Your main goal is to never let an attacker move you to a second location. If someone tries to grab you, run toward a crowd immediately. If you can't run, fight back with everything you have. Target the eyes, nose, and groin, and yell fire instead of help to get a faster response. If you are overpowered, stop resisting and stay calm. At this stage, compliance is your best survival strategy. Try to humanize yourself by talking about family or hobbies and observe your surroundings. Noting smells, sounds, or accents can help authorities later. If a rescue begins, it will likely be chaotic. Don't run toward the rescuers. Instead, drop to the ground, keep your hands visible, and follow every command until you're identified as the victim. Once safe, seek medical and mental health support. While kidnappings are extremely rare, you can stay proactive by varying your daily routines, staying aware of your surroundings, and trusting your instincts to avoid dangerous situations before they happen.